Optometrists everywhere can't stop talking about this groundbreaking carbon technology that cleans your glasses like never before. Introducing Peeps by CarbonKlean. Peeps' revolutionary carbon technology removes all the grease, grime, and oil from your lenses to get your lenses cleaner than you've ever seen. Why look through dirty, cloudy glasses? Wiping them on your shirt only scratches the lenses and smears the dirt around. Soon, they're so scratched up, you'll never see clear. Peeps contour angle microfiber pads route out oil and grime in the tightest of corners. Your shirt just can't do that. Look at the difference. Peeps instantly removes the dust, fingerprints, and facial oils that build up fast on your lenses to get your lenses cleaner than you ever thought possible. Then just recharge the Peeps cleaning pads in the included recharging station. Each set of Peeps is a complete eyeglass cleaning system. Peeps microfiber pads embedded with supercharged carbon lock onto dirt, grime, and dust like an unbreakable magnet that leaves your lenses crystal clear. No wonder NASA and the US military use the same technology to clean their cameras and scopes. Just like the carbon used to attract the tiniest of contaminants in water filters and air purifiers, Peeps are so powerful they last for up to 500 cleanings. That's enough to clean the grime off this floor-to-ceiling window with just one set of replaceable carbon pads. Wow! Electrostatic friction completely recharges the carbon molecules every time you slide the arms into the Peeps recharging station for a completely renewed cleaning surface. So no matter how your glasses get dirty, clean them with this revolutionary device recommended by thousands of optometrists around the country. Peeps by CarbonKlean.
This is called Peeps from CarbonKlean. Instead of trying to look through dirty, oily, disgusting glasses or sunglasses, Peeps use these cool carbon-based pads to grip your lenses and remove all that gunk, even into the corners. Stop trying to scrub your lens with your cloth or your shirt. Those just smear the dirt around and scratch the lenses. The answer is Peeps. And it will super clean your glasses up to 500 times, just as well as the day you bought it, with one set of cleaning pads. This cap right here is a recharging station. It uses electrostatic friction to renew the carbon-based cleaning surfaces every time you slide the cleaner in and out of its cap. This is the same technology that's used in NASA's space program. There's even a brush that pops out of the back side so you can remove all the big stuff before using the pads. Goodbye, scratches and streaks.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your sunglasses with the Peeps Carbon Lens Cleaner. So let's get started. Here is the Peeps brush. Now we're going to use this to clean my sunglasses. Now the first step of this process is we're going to wipe away the debris with the brush right here. So now we're going to take the brush and we're going to gently wipe away any of the excess debris. So now we're going to use the tongs to polish and shine the lenses of my sunglasses. So now we're going to gently polish the sunglasses. Make sure to get into the corners, all the nooks and crannies. So this is a perfect pocket design, which is perfect for your pocket on the go. And that is why I prefer this new solution from Peeps. You can use it over 500 times and it never scratches or damages your lenses. You don't have to deal with messy sprays or dirty cloth. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Peeps Carbon Lens Cleaner.